Morning. How's everyone doing? Gee, bro, how's PFA going? Marvin, I don't know. Definitely like to go on a spaceship with you, brother. How's everyone doing? Got my tea today, so we'll start off with some tea talk and then we'll get into carving after that. But other than that, guys, hope you're doing well. Hope you've had a good rest. Oh god, here we go. Zero peso. Thanks for the sub, man. If you're new here, don't have to. So yeah, I just had a shower. Sorry I'm late. And I made me a tea. Yo, Memes, thanks for the sub as well, brother. You didn't have to. Chur Chur, how are you? Majestic, thanks for the bits. You can just watch it, it's all good. And Tiger Massive as well. Appreciate it, brother. But just watch, it's fine. But thank you, man. So I'm gonna start off with drinking my tea first. Oh, who's this? Oh, there's no need dripping cheese, brother. That's enough, brother. Thank you for that, the dripping cheese. You didn't have to. Let me just turn this camera if it wants to. Ooh, I hear someone's Harley. Sure, bros. Oh, someone already got timed out, eh? Arcade Aiden, thank you very much for the sub. You just don't have the sub, we're just gonna talk. First, it's this Harley ad. What happened to Lab? I can still play them. So what we're going to do is play them around the last half hour of the stream. Charger Boy, thank you very much, brother. Didn't have to, you can't just watch. Oh, it's this road bike. When I get enough bread, I'm subbing, bro. Oh, you're a bit of a bread maker, brother. Hey, Alfie. How do I buy some of your carvings? So after I finish my current project, the Tire Hunt, then you can ask for commission. So I'm going to be running through a few, so no doubt there'll be quite a few recorded. Hang on, guys. That's why it's turned off, because it's flat. Oh, the dude's doing his road bike test for his license. Interesting. Who here has a bit of a bike license? Anyone here got their bike license? Did I miss the Bob Ross stream? No, I still got to get all the prizes for our giveaway. So I want to get all the prizes, so I got like first and maybe third, I reckon. So I got a PVC figure of Luffy and Super Saiyan God Goku pop one. Hey, Chur Connor, how are you, brother? Sensei Siachi, love what you do, brother. Thanks for spreading love and positivity at times like this. Oh, Sensei, it's all good, brother. Could have said that without the bits too. I'm gonna tie my hair. This dude must have failed his bike license. I mean, if you stop, usually it means you fail. Got that Māori license, he drove without one? No, that's how you get a bad name, brother. Pindi. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, so I'll just drink my tea. We'll just keep chilling for now. Should have heard me as I was setting up, man. The seagulls were going for gold. The god of carving is not me, brother. Never. Thank you, Wang. Cheers, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. But how's everyone doing? He's all good? How you been? Let me know. Hey, morning, Fanta. How are you today, brother? So I see he's in level 4 lockdown now for COVID in Melbourne. Tired as fuck. True. Yeah, I see he must have been grinding all night, eh? Thanks, Naomi love. You didn't have to give those bits, you know, you could have just commented. But thank you. And Ducky as well. Oh, we got a hair flick from Barai. Shit, we just started too. Here we go. I just tied my hair up too. Ooh, still a bit wet. Yeah, curfew at night too. Wow, he's got a curfew. Damn, Chur Chur Whanau, how are you, brother? Okay, let's get these in for Barai. Shit. That's one way to start the stream. Leno, Puff, and Yashiro, thank you very much, guys. You don't have to sub. Next time, just come and watch. So I'll just drink the rest of my tea and we'll get started, eh? Chur Manalo. Roman Reigns. Okay, what do we want to see today? Taiaha or mask? And we got a zucchini from Dixie. If you're not the best carver, who is? The sea. That's how I see it. We got mask, 3 masks, Taiaha, mask. Oh, it looks like we're doing the mask today. Everyone's grown quite attached to this mask. I mean, you've been here for the majority of it. Rafe, thank you very much, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. Inverse and meat. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to though. Oh god, here we go. How you been, Connor? Anyway, see, birds sound crazy. Yeah, damn seagulls, brother. Canel and Farley Murray. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to though. I never had the opportunity to sing you do your work, so you're really happy. Oh, welcome. Key Tixon. I hope I said that right, brother. What's my Spotify list for lo-fi? I don't have one. Just type in free lo-fi music on YouTube. So for the last half hour of the stream, we'll just blast some lab. Oh, it's all good, Farley. Okay, I'm gonna point you down to the new ones that are here. So this is what we're up to. This is what I've been working on. So, to all the new ones, you know, So to all our new ones that are our new whānau members, or family as I call you guys, this is what we call a wheku, the Māori people. Now these particular carvings are usually placed at the apex of our meeting houses because we named them after our ancestors, and it plays the role as being the face of our ancestors as well. Oh, bike man is off again. And this is just one of the different variations of faces that we use. So these are not made to be worn, these are made to be placed on the apex of our meeting houses, and sometimes our waharoa as well, which is like a walkway or archway. But this is what we've currently been doing on stream. And this is also Mr. John Wolf. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. He didn't have to. But also, oh yeah, he must have failed. Feels bad, man. So this is actually the third carving I've done on stream, I think. Done quite a few big carvings, well 2 to be precise. But yeah, to all our new ones that have joined us, this is what this particular carving goes to. And in terms of where carving comes from, it comes from our god of the sea. His name is Tangaroa. Our Polynesian cousins have other names for him too. One, for example, is Kanaloa. So you can hear the similarities between the Polynesian cultures as well. So it all dates back to, if you want to hear it, Chur and Phoenix. So it all dates back to our beginning of time between the Earth Mother and the Sky Father. Right, Jonah Turtle. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. So the way our Chur, did you manage to find what you need in Tauranga? No, I think we wasted more time than that. Oh, thanks guys for subbing. You didn't have to. But yeah, dating back to the beginning of time for us, the Māori people, it starts with our Earth Mother, the god of the Earth, the goddess, and our Sky Father. They were both together, so they hugged each other really tight. And between them was many of their children that sat between them, so there were many. Thanks, the warrior. Yeah, so they had many different children, sons to be precise. So the oldest, his name was Tāne Mahuta, who was the god of the forest and many other things as well. He gained the baskets of knowledge for us, the human race, and he did many different feats as well. So it was kind of like the Hercules of your culture too. Then he had many younger brothers, one such as Tangaroa, who is the god of the sea, Tūmataunga, the god of war, Tāwhirimatea, the god of winds and storms. Oh crap, the cow frog. I didn't have to, but I wanted to. Bloody hell, bro. The cow frog, yeah, you didn't have to. But yeah, go appreciate it, man. But yeah, just hold off next time. So going back to the separation, there were other gods as well, like Haumea Tiketike, who was the god of uncultivated food, Rongomaa Tāne, who was the god of cultivated food, but also the god of peace as well. And Ruaumoko, who was the youngest of all the gods, who sat in his mother's stomach, who so wasn't even born yet, who is the god of earthquakes and eruptions. So if you can imagine that as a contraction, yeah, that's him. I'm working in a few hours, so I just wanted to share some love, man. That's some damn aesthetic. Oh, thanks, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. You didn't have to, though. So yeah, going back to the story. They all had a meeting. So if you picture, so I'll just carry on. So they all had this meeting, saying that they had enough of being stuck between their parents, and so they wanted to separate them. The only one that was against the entire thing was Tawhiri Mate, who is the god of the winds and storms. And he was fully against it. He didn't want to be separated from his parents. Mummy's boy, daddy's boy, I don't know. But they all decided to, they all agreed, so it was a vote, popular vote, and obviously they went with separating, because here we are today. Cherry Slam, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to, you can just watch for free. If you're new here, just so I'm listening on the story that I'm telling at the moment. So they all decided that they wanted to, but thank you very much, sir, and Mundane as well. But just come watch for free, it's fine. So they all decided, yes, they want to separate their parents except for one. So they started off with Tūma Tauenga, who tried to push them off normally, so like a military press, standing up, pushing up against his father and trying to separate them, but they didn't move one bit. And then many of the siblings tried again, and then Tangaroa as well, he tried pushing his back up against his father and trying his hardest to separate them, but they wouldn't move. And then Tawhiri Mate, the god of the winds and storms, obviously didn't want to try, till it came to the oldest of all the siblings, Tāne Mahuta. So what he did, he lied on his back on his mother, put his legs up against his father like a leg press, and pushed his hardest. And then you could so slowly see them starting to separate. So if you take a look at the Big Bang and how the scientists see the beginning of the world, it starts off with darkness. As he started to separate his parents, the light started creeping in. Then he fully separated them, and boom, you have the Big Bang, as the scientists know it. But we call it the separation of Rangi and Papa. And so from that, yeah, hope that's not too much. So they were separated, but there were 4 vines, or 4 like harnesses or whatever you want to call it, still attached to them. So what they had to do is figure out a way to split them. And from this separation came 2 adze blades, because it's a carving stream, we put the carving aspect into it. And Simple Ricks, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, you can just watch for free. So from the separation came 2 of the most renowned adze blades we have. So those were like the first tools of our people as well. And I'll just point the camera up here, so I feel rude. So 2 particular tools came with the separation as well, that were adze blades. So the first one was Te Awhiorangi, which is one of the most renowned adze blades we have, and Te Whironui. Now they took these 2 particular blades, like stones, and they had to find a way to attach them, because they had no tools to make them tools. So they looked at another god called Taupeka, and they killed him. What they did, they cut his legs off, stripped away the flesh, and used the bones from his leg as a handle. So if you have the blade, and you see how a foot is there, like that. So they set the foot there and set the blade on top. And then they used his intestines to wrap it as lashing, and just wrap it up so it couldn't move. And then, well, they punched his skull in, as you would say, and used a fragment from his skull as a wedge to wedge the blade in so it wouldn't move. And that's what they did for these 2 particular adze blades. So they all set out to go and cut these 4 specific areas so they would fully separate. And they did. And even today, people are still out there trying to find these 2 particular adze blades. Now, there has been a case where one person has seen it, and yeah, they went mental. Like they couldn't handle the status that that particular tool had. And so they're hidden. No one knows where they are. Some say one's down the Whanganui River. Yeah. One has been hidden away from a family. One family has hidden this particular tool away as well, and they died with that secret as well. Oh God, here we go. Sure, brother, mahalo. Invictus, thank you for the sub, brother. subs, gifted subs. You didn't have to do that, brother. It's only story time. We're just chilling, brother. You can watch for free. But thank you, brother. Appreciate it, man, and congrats to those that received the gifted sub from the brother too, from the brother's kindness. Sarah Mans, don't ask for subs, man. You know how I am. But the story's not done yet. So going back to the separation of Rangi and Papatuanuku, so they were fully separated. And from that separation, I obviously can tell the sibling that didn't want it to happen got really pissed off. And so what he did, he declared war against all his siblings. And he said he will fight them until the end of time. So if you can imagine a storm and what it does to the land, it destroys it. Thunder, lightning, all the types of things that a storm can do, it's constantly destroying the land. Cyber, I hope I said your name right, brother. Thank you, my bro. You didn't have to do that, though. Yeah, so with that being said, so obviously Tāwhiri Mātia went with his father, Ranginui. Jackie, thanks for gifting a sub. You didn't have to. So with that being said, Ranginui and Tāwhiri Mātia went up to the sky. So what Tāwhiri Mātia did as well when he declared war against his siblings, he ripped his eyes out and he threw them to his father, and his eyes turned into the star constellation as we know it, called Matariki, which only ever shows up for our Māori New Year. And the rest of the world knows it as Pleiades. And yeah, from there, that was pretty much how the separation started. And then Tāne Mahuta, what he did as time rolled on, created the first human, and which happened to be his daughter. Then she found out, got pissed off, became the goddess of death. Yeah, and are you gonna buy her dinner first? Who? Sparkling Wine Puppy and Exterminator. Thank you guys for the subs. At the moment we're just telling the story for all the new people that have joined, just telling them where carving comes from. So when Tāne Mahuta climbed the 7 or the 12 heavens as we have in our culture to get the baskets of knowledge for the human race, so he climbed all of them. It was a race against him, Tāne Mahuta, and Whiro, who's the god of negativity and bad insects and all bad things. So the hard route was to climb up through the middle of the heavens, learn every aspect of the heavens. But Whiro, what he tried to do is go around the outside, the shortcut way, and send all his children to try and stop Tāne Mahuta, just to try and gain the baskets of knowledge for himself. And so eventually Tāne Mahuta, he came to the 7th heaven, some say it was the 8th, where he noticed a structure like in the distance, as you would. And when he saw this particular structure, he obviously was intrigued, he was interested to see what it was. So as he got closer, he started to hear a voice, and he got closer and closer, and he noticed that it was a structure or a building, in our case an ancestral meeting house. And he was trying to look for this voice all around, but it was he couldn't find a person or a god, whoever it was. It was actually a carving. So it's called a popo kaiawha, which is so if you take it, so if you Google like wharenui or Māori meeting house, you'll notice a carving that sits out the front in the middle, outside. And this particular carving was used to keep out any negative energy that was brought in by other tribes as they enter the meeting house for meetings and whatnot. And so they obviously, he talked to this carving and he asked, "Oh, what is this? Hea hatene?" And the carving spoke back, "Oh, it's a wharenui. it's a meeting house. And he goes, oh, okay. So obviously being interested, he called out to his brother Tangaroa, who is the god of the sea, to come up. And obviously he made his way up, met with his brother, and he asked, oh, what do you want? And he spoke to him, telling him, I want this down on the planet, I will say, or down there. And so what he did, isn't Tāne Mahuta the name of the world's biggest kauri tree? Yeah, it is. I haven't been there though. But yeah, it is. It is, brother. So what Tangaroa did, he went back down, he built this ancestral meeting house at the bottom of the sea. And then so Tāne Mahuta, so he carried on up the heavens, collected the baskets, and so we're going to Tangaroa now, who is the god of the sea. So if you take a look at the sea itself, guys, you watch it, it's carving away at the land. That's another aspect on how you look at Tangaroa, how he is the god of carving as well. Well, that's how I see it, and a few others as well. So with that being said, so we go to the time of man now, and with two ancestors by the name of Rua te Pupuke and Manuruhi. Now Rua te Pupuke was the first carver of man. And one day, it all starts off with a fishing trip. Thanks for sharing your culture. Who's this? Hey, Black Bear. Cheer, brother. You didn't have to resub though, my bro. Appreciate it though, brother. Thank you. Yeah, so going to this particular fishing trip. What does it say on the shirt? iLab. My partner got it for me. Much love from South Africa. Cheer, brother. And so going to the time of man and this particular fishing trip. Silent Chuz and Dog. Thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to though. You can watch for free. And Butt Fluff. You're such a cool guy. Keep up the awesome content, brother. Thank you, bro. You can just watch for free too. So going to this particular fishing trip, these two individuals, so Rua te Pupuke was obviously the father. So he used his favourite fishing hook to catch his fish, but what you do is you give your first one back as an offering to Tangaroa because you're about to take his children, the god of the sea, fish, anything that dwells beneath. And Manuruhi was like, oh, I don't think I need to do that, but he could see that his father was catching a lot of fish. And then his father, Rua te Pupuke, obviously called his haul for the day, packed up and was ready to go home. And but the son asked, oh, can I use your fishing hook please? And he goes, yeah, sure you can. The only rule I have is you give your first fish back to the sea. And being a young fella, he's got no bloody ears, of course he's not going to listen. So he caught his first fish and he didn't give it back. And obviously Tangaroa noticed this and was quite pissed off, if you would say. So he carried on fishing, and as Tangaroa got closer, he grabbed the hook and the line and dragged him into the sea. So he pulled him right down to the bottom of the seabed floor, where that meeting house is. Hui Te Anga Nui is the name of this particular meeting house. And so from there, so hours pass by, and obviously a parent gets worried for their child. So he went back to the particular fishing spot where they were, and noticed the drag marks into the sea. And he goes, he knew straight away what happened. And so obviously jumped into the sea to go look for his son. And he was looking, couldn't find them, until, just like Tāne Mahuta, he noticed something going on at the bottom of the seabed floor. So as he dived down deeper and deeper, he noticed that there was a meeting house down there. And he could see at the apex of the meeting house, so usually you can have a carved mask or a carved statue. You can even have both. But in the story, in the case of the story, it was a carved statue. And as he got closer to this meeting house, he could see bubbles coming out of the mouth. And as he got closer, he noticed that his son was mounted at the top of the meeting house. So if you notice any particular carving, sometimes their shoulders are back and they got their hands on their stomach with their tongues out. So it can represent the haka, but also can represent what happened to Manuruhi as well, like running out of breath. So what happened after that? He goes, okay, I know what happened now, and he had to figure out a way that he was going to get his son back. So he waited until night time, till all the children went back into this meeting house. So you have your snapper, your crayfish, anything within the sea. Now there are two particular whales that usually guard this house too. So Tū Tarakauka is one, and Ruamano. Now they usually slide up and down the barge boards of the meeting house. So how a meeting house is structured, you have the barge boards, which are the arms of the meeting house, and the amals, which stand up straight, and obviously the head at the top. So it's structured of the human anatomy. And so from this, he obviously had to figure out a plan of how he was going to attack. And so the whales had departed for the night, and so he blocked every entrance to the meeting house but the door, to the entrance way, if you want. And I don't know how he did this, but he set the meeting house on fire under the water. Yeah. And don't ask me how he did it. He did it. That's how the story is told. There are many variations to the story too, and with the tribes themselves. So when this happened, so all the children obviously had to try and find a way to get out, and it was only through the main entrance. The first one to come out was the flounder. So Rua Te Pupuke hit it on the head so hard that it's flat. It's like that, how we see a flounder today. And then the next one to come out was the octopus. Now he smashed its legs so hard that you see it has no bones in its legs anymore. And we see the octopus as it is today. And then one of the children that took the longest to come out was the snapper. So you notice how it's burnt, or red, a reddish tint. That's the variation on how the snapper became red as well. And then as the fire started to engulf the meeting house, there's some tuis. He could hear voices inside the meeting house. Someone say good night? No. So from that, hold on. Yeah, so as he got closer to this meeting house, he noticed two particular voices talking inside the meeting house. Now, they were carvings as well, by the names of Whiri and Whira. And so he was quite shocked to see that these carvings were talking to each other, but he couldn't get to them due to the flames that were engulfing the house. So what he did instead was he took the carvings from the outside back up to the surface, including his son as well. And from there, it was all pretty much transferring what he saw on the carving to another piece of wood. So it's kind of like visualizing it on the wood, like what we do now, like in any form of art as well. And yeah, that's pretty much one of the... So to all our new ones, that's just a little bit on carving, a little bit. And there's many variations to this story as well. So as you heard the tuis before, one of the tribes I come from, instead of Rua Te Pupuke's son, it was his pet tui that got taken, and he could hear it singing under the sea. Another variation as well was, instead of a fully carved meeting house, it was called whaiwhai designs, which are like painted designs. But yeah, to all our new ones, that's just a small snippet of where carving came from. And it took me about half an hour to explain, but yeah, there's just a little bit on it. Are you building a wharenui? Oh, I would love to do that one day, but no, I'm not. If I was going to build a wharenui, I wouldn't put it on stream. Yeah. Working now tonight, to pop in and say hi, see how you're doing. Much love, brother. Cheer, brother Charizard. Cheer, my bro. So yeah, to all our new ones, welcome to the stream. And yeah, that's where carving comes from. And I hope you enjoyed the story. So we'll put some jams on now, and we'll get some carving started. So thanks for listening. If most of these are still here. Oh, we don't want to play this again. I love them YouTube ads. Okay guys, so I'm going to point you down now and show you what we've been working on to all the new viewers, all whānau members. So to all our new ones, oh here we go. Clinks, woo, oval, oh Clinks O-dub. Oh sorry, you didn't have to do that. Me kōrero brother. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so this is what we're up to. Yeah, so that's just one of my main focuses on Twitch, is just sharing my culture with the world, and most of all to our people who don't have access to their own culture as much as others do. Because yeah, some of them don't. I'm just happy to share. Okay, getting some chisels now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what did he just do with the phone? Turned it around. I mean, it's pretty simple to see. Dames exclaims, ka te pai. Mā te hunga katoa I nei kōrero. Me ngā whānau kāre tino aro ki a rātou pūrākau o mātou mātua tūpuna. A kene mā tēnei huarahi karapu. Ngā tamariki e nei kōrero ka hiahia rātou ki te whai I te aro te whakairo. I have to reset internet. Okay, so I'm playing dentist today. I'm just gonna drop the teeth down a bit because, yeah, I'm not a bit too high for my liking. No chip one. I've heard in a long time. Oh, gee, yeah. Hopefully, some young Māori children get inspired by their own culture instead of games all the time. Now, this is a dentist I would trust. Bro, do not trust me with dentist stuff. Reef, thanks for the sub, man. You did not have to. Can you remove my braces? It depends. Are you finished with them? I mean, I'll try my best. I'll do it for free. No longer scared of the dentist. Hey you, brother, mahalo. You know my brother. Yep, so it's actually 8 days until my daughter's 2. God damn! What's the current carving about? Mainly just to showcase, so we started from a block of wood, brother. And if you weren't here before, I can explain what this particular carving goes to, or what it's for. I just done a verb. That was yuck. Yuck. But I love the taste of stomach acid cup of tea. Let me just have a water. Cheer, Reef. Cheer, my brother. Bearded Ninja New Zealand. Hey, brother. Where did I learn to carve such beauty? I wouldn't say it's beauty yet, brother, but my uncle introduced me to this art form when I was 12, and verbs are the worst. Yeah, brother. But this particular art form has been in our culture for a long time, so it played a major role for our people as well in terms of passing down our knowledge and the stories that we have, along with song and dance. And face to face as well. We were more of an oral culture. We didn't have the luxury of pen and paper until Captain Cooked came along. And as the ages went on, a education system and all that came about, and our language was recorded in a written form as well by our ancestors. We're all good. We're glad your uncle introduced it to you. Oh, I'm forever grateful for him, eh? Oh, thanks, Bearded Ninja. You don't have to do that, brother. So he still carves today. I need to go and visit him sometime, eh? I have not seen him in a long time. But I think he's just been a grandfather as well. And yeah, this is pretty much something that I want to do for the rest of my life. Captain Cook brought blonde haired blue eyed women too. My partner's Māori. And German. Gotta love those YouTube ads, bruh. Me and you, listen to the rain. What does silver hand mean, brother? I've been called that a few times now. Me and you, listen to the rain. Hope you're doing well, man. Ever Candido? I'm doing well, brother. Bro, you could have just said that without something, eh? But thank you, brother. Is this a job or a hobby? It's a passion, bro. I don't see this as a job, eh? Don't really want it to become a job, then you'll get sick of it. No, I've never seen it as a job, man. I mean, I was employed to be a carver, but I never really saw it that way. I mean, I've been carving through being redundant and poor too. Didn't stop me. Bolter boy. Cheers, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. Get an ad blocker? Nah, it's alright. I'm patient, I can wait. With the dono button, you ain't ever need a job. Yeah, I'm still trying to work my way up to that, eh? I think I've decided that I'll put it on my birthday, which is still a ways away. No rush though. Silver hand is an emote, it doesn't work. Oh, I don't even know what silver hand means other than silver hand. I mean, the only person that has a silver hand is a silver surfer. Yeah. Monday, yep, Monday for me. Damn internet, oh, I know those feels. Is it true you should never blow on your carvings? Nuka UK. Now that practice comes into play. So here where I am, carving has been incorporated into tourism as well. So a lot of the tikanga or rules and customs can be put to the side on certain pieces. So when you're doing a carving of an ancestor, say, because we only carve the dead, brother, we don't carve the living at all. You wouldn't necessarily blow on it because you're trying to imitate Tāne Mahuta, the god of the forest, and many other things, who brought the first life into this world by breathing the breath of life into the first human. It's kind of like being disrespectful, brother. But when it comes to So tapu is like a thing that we do. Like it's called sacred, but it's also a status where certain things come into play. Now, for myself in particular, I'm not carving under tapu or sacredness because this is not going to be named after an ancestor, because it's probably going to be given away. Now, you wouldn't necessarily name something after your ancestor if it's going to be given away, because that's very NZ teaser. Yeah, is that you, T? That name's familiar. Boy, I'm sure I remember that name from Smart. Okay, now those teeth are looking better. Took out my mistake. You didn't see it, eh? No, it's the opposite of tapu. Yeah. Mordnag, cheer for the sub, brother. Yeah, you couldn't watch for free, brother. It's all good. Greetings from Greece. Hey, cheer, brother. Oh, here's bloody Silver. Cheer, brother Silver. You didn't have to do that though, brother. Jeez. You didn't see my mistake. Yeah, pieces coming together, all good. So I'll probably use linseed oil, on this. So I'm just going to put the camera up a bit. I need to beat Connor. There's no need to beat anyone here, man. You can just watch for free. Okay. I'm just checking out the head here. I'm sure I've seen that NZ Taser name before. Taylor. I'm sure that's you. I'm gonna sleep now. All good, Dalwadi. You have apply for a job tomorrow. Good luck, brother. I donate, but I need every dollar I can get. No need to donate, brother. You just come watch. It's all good. You save your money for you. Kia ora, Kaya. So we'll do a bit of this today, and then we'll jump on that taiaha, because it's due at the end of the month. So you must be the... Oh, I don't know, brother. I'm not really out here trying to be. Just be me, brother. Never know, there are other... How do I say this? Wholesome people out there. Sure, brother, crazy. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now is just going to do a bit of cleaning before I turn it back around on the face up the top here. Thunder Header, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. You can just watch. More than welcome to, brother, but thank you very much. I was looking away. Oh, it's all good. Nah, it's just replying to your comment. Can we see your face? Oh, I was just showing it before. Okay, where's my pencil at? There it is. Happy Monday from Denmark. Hey, cheer, brother. Been looking at some chisels too, guys. It's a great stream. Oh, thanks, man. Just glad everyone likes it, eh? Not allowed to be an egg, no. Good night from Estonia. Kia ora, brother. What day is your birthday? Daytime. Nah, it's in September, brother. Favorite Drake tune? I don't even like listening to Drake. Do you sell your work? I mainly do commissions, brother. So I'm doing one at the moment. There's some sort of training you went through to learn this? Yeah, with my uncle. So he taught me all he knew. And carried on learning by going to a carving institute located here as well. Just shrinking this nose because it's a bit of a honker at the moment. Blast. Oh, thanks for subbing, brother. Didn't have to. When can we request a commission? When I finish the current one, which is a tire. But the commission pieces have to be like within the realm that I carve in, so Māori. So I don't carve D&D pieces or Warhammer pieces or any of that because it's not part of my culture. I mean, if someone asked me to carve them a Voltorb, that shouldn't be too hard. Is there any particular significance and meaning? Yeah, so this particular art form here was used to carry on our stories. So it was used to tell our stories. We didn't have a written form of language, so we did it through another form, which is carving. This form, song and dance being another major one, and face-to-face as well. We were more of an oral culture. We didn't have a written form of language, and many carvings that tell the feats of our ancestors and sometimes the stories that happened around certain areas. Do you ship commissions to Canada? I mean, I can try. Hopefully it makes it there. So I've got another one coming up soon. Would this style be considered a tiki? Not really. So the tiki we do, it's in the shape of a baby, eh? So yeah, with this art form, bro, it's not just some normal art form. It's quite sacred to our people too. Well, it is. It's not. It kind of is. This isn't just a normal art form for us. It's like any other art. Oh god, Thomas. Sure, Thomas. Shit, you didn't have to do that, brother. Oh. Five. Are they tier 3s? Holy shit, this guy. You didn't have to do that, man. Shit. Holy cow, this guy. Statement gang. Vegas 1 sugar. I hope I said that right. Damn. Thanks for that, brother. You didn't have to. This guy coming out here with his big damn subhammer. From New South Wales, Australia. I'm able to get a medium-sized one sent to me here. I can probably send to Aussie, but just wait till I finish the commission. So just a heads up for everyone that's going to ask. The best way to ask is with a simple hi and a please. Yeah, don't say I want this because I'll ignore you. A simple hi can go a long way. It's the big man himself. Gee, brother, I'm not a big man, brother. Okay, let's do this. So I'm just doing a few things while the carving is facing this way. No, you're all good, Zixie. It's all good, brother. How long has it taken you to carve so far? I've been on this for a few weeks, eh? If I was doing this... Oh, shit. Here we go. If I was doing this off stream, it'll only take a few days. Qventus... Oh. Up to... Brother, you didn't have to do that, bro. Holy cow, brother. Oh jeez. I'll watch your stream 24/7. Oh, I can't carve for 24/7, brother. I'll start losing it. Do you do multiple carvings there once or just stick to the one? I'm only doing 2 at the moment. But yeah, nothing more than that. Where do you live? Planet Earth. Charge NZ. Oh, kia ora, bro. Thank you for that. You didn't have to, though. You can watch for free. Where do you live? Nah, I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Would you ever do a Māori storytelling stream? Oh, bro, I'll probably go. Yeah. So telling a lot of stories can be good, but it can take its toll on you too. Just like carving, it takes its toll on me spiritually. But that's just part of it. Yo, Riz Life. Oh, bro, you didn't have to, brother. Thank you though, man. But still, didn't have to. Brother is a pretty common thing. Brother is a pretty common thing, regardless of heritage. Ah, yeah. Doesn't matter. It's like what I call you guys watching whānau, family. If you don't like what I call you, then just turn the volume down. Well, yeah. Oh, Typhoon. Thanks for what you do. Hey, thanks, brother. You didn't have to do that, brother. I appreciate it, man. Didn't have to, though, brother. Holy shit. But I see old Nobble's got 4 paladins ready, eh? How's Mrs. Brooks doing? She's doing... Oh, God. Yo, where's life? Cheer, brother. Shit, dude. What are you doing? Thank you there, brother. Yeah, how you doing? How you doing? She said alright. Okay, so this needs to be a bit more round. So I'll take that much off. Just to get a nice round shape on this arm. Fishing and wow and watching the stream. Gee. Job interview. Oh, good luck to your partner, Fanta. Yeah, true, JT. How you, brother? How does it work for your commissions? People ask, I do, I send. And hopefully it makes it. I've never sent internationally before. I wasn't expecting to get as much attention as the stream has now, but yeah. Cheer, Polished Snowman, for the sub. You didn't have to though, brother. You can watch for free. Your table is cool. I recently started carving small objects of wood instead of stone. Oh, nice, brother. Oh, yeah, so this is just a clamp, bro. Kind of like a horse. I want to build my own bench eventually when we get a better shed. If we move. I'll do it on stream too. I don't do big size carvings. I mean, depends on what people want to do. Like small, medium ones too. Just they gotta make it affordable. Towards future shed. Deaf boy. Thanks, man. You didn't have to though, brother. We'll get there one day, not in a hurry. Silver, again? Jeez. Thank you, man, you didn't have to do that. What's your favourite Māori story? All of them. It's not one I put above the other, brother. So just trying to clean this arm out. Then we'll drop this arm as well. Holy crap. Q Ventus. Yo, brother, what are you doing? You've done enough, brother. Holy crap. There we go. Just feeling the other arm on the other side. Looking good. Is this the most wholesome stream of my life? Well, I don't know. I don't even think I'm not really out here trying to be Mr. McWholesome Pants. I'm just out here to cuff. And hopefully stream well soon. God damn, that's hard to stream off the stream pack, brother. Towards the PC build. Killjoy, I'm sure I took the PC thing out down the bottom. Thank you there, brother. I'm sure I did. If you haven't been following along, brother, Panda TV actually gifted one, brother. Still waiting on Bob Ross. Yeah, I need to get these prizes sorted first. I don't want to start without them. Like, or giveaways, not prizes. Where you do a cut on a wood sword? No, my ancestors didn't use cut on us, bro. When did you start streaming? Oh, I don't know. I don't really keep track of those. Let the water go warm if you keep it in the sunlight, please. I don't know, I'll still drink it. It's water. It's still cold outside though. If I could have you. Okay, getting a round shape on it now. Do you watch any sports? Yeah, rugby. Fuck, don't even get started about the Chiefs though. Oh, the Mystic Fox. Oh, good man. Thanks for being here. Okay, let's just break that little face since it's breaking already. Loot fee? Thanks for subbing, brother. If you're new here, my man, you don't have to next time. Let's come chill. Which team do you support? The Chiefs, unfortunately. Not our year. Not doing well. 5 the Crusaders win another game. They pretty much cracked it. Do you adjust the design if you make a mistake? No, you just carry on. Incorporate it. Don't make mistakes, by the way, make adjustments. Hey, there he is. Just for kicks, first of his name. Looks like Aqua has power thumbs and is more wholesome than the video of 2 kittens play fighting. Here's bloody just for puns. Ladies and gentlemen, just for kicks is the pun lord in chat. Now if you want to try to take him on, go hard. Luke my shooty, Valkrix, and Gian Splix. Oh, these quite some hearty names, man. Thank you guys for subbing. If he's a new here, you don't have to renew. You can just come and watch it. It's totally fine. Kia ora, welcome. I'm Brooks. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver. We are the native people to New Zealand. But welcome everyone, welcome to the whānau. That's what I call everyone here, whānau, it means family. If you like what you see, Yeah, just tell me. After restarting, oh, true brother. So what I'm gonna do now is just push clean a little bit. I like what I see. Oh, that's good. What happened to the egg test, brother? Well, it should be there. Just for kicks made it. Might be lagging because the main egg is here. Oh, God. The True Vaporwave God? Interesting name, brother. Oh, thank you, bro. You didn't have to do that, though. Can't just watch for free, brother. It's all good. Well, thank you, man, and congrats to those that received that gifted sub from the brother's generosity as well. If you did, say thank you. Please. Okay, this is still a bit square. If the whole world is against you, we have to... Oh, chill, brother. Don't think the world's after me, man, but if they ever do, we'll be ready. Just like the guy yesterday that said I would be nothing without TikTok. And I don't even use TikTok that much. That was funny, man. I had a good laugh about it off stream yesterday. Hold on. Pandorium. And Sujin BRK. Thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to. Did your ancestors perform any huckers? Are there any videos of them? Oh, there should be some from the World Wars. What's the strangest thing you've ever made? Nothing, to be honest. Nothing in my culture is strange to me. Getting something to eat? Oh, Q Vintus, you gotta tell us what you're getting to. You gotta tell us. We love talking about food here. I don't use TikTok. But I only use TikTok to watch Real Breaking Nate and all of them. Gotta watch them card openings, man. It's like Leon Hart when he pulled that Charizard. Oh. I just ate, oh, chicken taquito. That sounds interesting. Yeah, Otter. So quite a few carvings that have been spread out around the world getting returned, eh? Like a few, like a lot really. Which is good. But I mean, we'll see how they pan out. Never know. Yeah. Made lasagna. Gee, what else is everyone eating or making? You play any fighting games? I haven't in a while, brother. Like in a while. Oh, no, that's a lie. I play Smash. When my cousin lets me use her Switch. I could go for some Korean barbecue right now. Yeah, but Korean barbecue is so good, eh? Bolter boy, thanks for doing that, brother. You didn't have to, though. Their carvings there cost a lot of money. Yeah, definitely. I'm having a bowl of wheat bix. Choose Zixi, how much are you having though? What's your limit? See if it's more than mine. I had a burger. Ooh, burger. Yeah, milk tea right now. True. Flash, cool. Thank you for the bit, man. You didn't have to though, but appreciate it. What up, brother? Much love from the US. Chur Tucci. Chur, brother. What is limit? It's a World of Warcraft guild. What do you mean? Handmade eggs Benedict. Oh, bro, evil intentions. I never get the sauce right, brother. For eggs Benny. And it just ruins it. Like, every time. No, Morlock. Ew. Please let me donate. Nah, it's okay. Not my birthday yet. Okay, I might stand them up just so I can. I have 6 sweet bix, hot water, then milk, 7 bananas. Oh, true. My limit's 14. I'll stand them up here. Makariri up here in Auckland. Yeah, it's not too bad here, brother. No sun shining. No cold air. Which is always bloody good for me because I'm outside all the time. Can't complain when I got a beauty day, brother. Hello from Poland. Hello, brother. No, COVID is also a bonus. No, COVID's definitely back, brother. We had 2 cases last night. Now, unfortunately, with all the returnees, brother, they went into isolation in the hotels here, and a few of them did have it. But what makes it even worse, some of them are breaking out, bro, and just going for walks around the cities where they're based, and not knowing that they're spreading the virus. We be selling this piece? I was gonna give it to Starship, but no message. I'll message them one more time. Look, Tyler girl from the US, my brother. Asked earlier, mate, but I've got to know, do you get Mrs. Brooks her pie? Nah, I didn't, bro. We just carried on straight to where we had to go. I was like, oh, we didn't even stop. I was looking forward to a pie. Well, not gonna lie, I was low-key starving on the trip. Just kept it to myself though. I'm truly hoping that more of us. Ramganim? Sure, brother. Yeah. I'm just, me, brother. Arcade mage, fuck the Lord. I can't play mage, eh? Or any, ranged. They're just, me. Need a bigger chisel. Are you Māori? Māori wood carver? I think so. Big love to everyone in chat right now. Yeah, that's the one, Mystic. spell chuckers. Yeah, man, I can't take. Killbox Brady commenting 500 bits. You alright, fella? Everything all good? There's no need to give any bits, brother. Just watch for free. If that's what you're trying to do. Whew. Some stubborn ass wood. What do you think about painting? Painting in general, or I'm not a painter myself, brother. That's why this Bob Ross stream is going to be very interesting. Do you have any traditional tattoos? One on my calf, brother, but yeah. Traditional markings, not a traditional tattoo style. Traditionally, how our ancestors did our markings was similar to scarification. If that helps, brother. Do you do any form of any other carving? No, just Māori wood carving, brother. That's all I've done from the age of 12 right up until now. I mean, I wouldn't mind trying to get into digital art, but man, that's hard. That's what I've been trying to practice on the iPad. Oh god. Killbox Brady. Oh man, you didn't have to do that, brother. I told you. You can just watch for free, bro. But thank you, brother. I appreciate it, man. Didn't have to, though. And Zeno, much love, bro. You are one of the nicest streamers I've seen. Oh, thanks, Zeno. You could have said that without any bits too. But thank you, brother. I appreciate everyone being here. What if I donated $300,000 to you? What would you do? I'll probably give you the biggest growling you've ever had in your life. And I'll knock to your parents. Tell them what you did. And I'll try and return it. I don't know how to, but yeah. Don't do that. Don't do that. Not in a time like now. Not in a time like now. Viking Rage. Thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to though, my man. Matox as well. Holy crap. What are you doing? So I'm just trying to hit it from this angle for now. How long have you been on that for? Ah, jeez. Like a few weeks now? Just taking my time. This wasn't about any timeline or anything, or deadline. It's more just showcasing what a carving can look like from a block of wood right up until now. I think we're doing good so far, I think. What do you reckon? Okay, that needs to be dropped down. Low. Thanks for the bits, brother. Didn't have to. Yeah, so something like this I can do in a few days if I wasn't streaming it. But it's more about sharing the processes in journey. Yeah, people will say, bro, you're pretty slow, but I mean, it's not a race there. Yeah, I've got faster carvers out there. I can carve fast as well, but just meh, choose not to. Are you happy? Oh, Yep. I mean, I didn't have breakfast, but yeah, I think I'm doing good. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna hit it from this angle. There we go. Yeah, brother, I'm alright. Didn't have breakfast, but all good, brother. All good, my G. Didn't have to, brother, because you deserve. Oh, man, Chur, brother Viking. Chur, brother. Didn't have to, though, my bro. No Brooks fast. Yeah. Ja, dan gaan we met die fucking Chur Switchy. What are you making today? So we're carving a mask, brother, just doing some final adjustments. I know I haven't changed the camera angle, but I'm about to switch back to the original angle that it was on. Oh god. Peter and Nixie Dixie. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it. Just didn't have to though. Jeez. Do we get the Afro flicks? Oh, I can try Afro flicks. Might fall off though. Have the Donald Trump syndrome. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it up now. Much better. I can see. Just booked my car to get some of the rod ends done and a wheel alignment. Oh, true, bro. Nice. We need people like you who want bright future, you deserve the world. Oh, I don't want the world, brother. It's like when people say, be president of my country. I was like, but I want to play well. You ever try the mask from Crash Bandicoot? Nah. Not really, brother. Not at all. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, just gonna lie back down. Good. So we have to do that. This head's proving to be quite the obstacle. Quite the obstacle. But we'll get it easy. Just want to make sure everything's on before we move on. Hey. Then if DMCA wasn't around, I'd probably play Careless Whisper as we stained it. So I'm gonna go to town today and buy some brushes. Keep it up, I can't stop watching. Oh, Pete Lord, as long as you enjoyed, brother, that's all that matters. Okay. That's all that matters, brother. No hea koe. No rua tāhuna, tūhoi whānui me konei a Rotorua. Kia ora, bro. Just got come home from a shift at the bar. True, brother. To watch before going to bed. Love you, person. And keep up what you're doing. True. Much love from Sweden. Hey, the global stoner. True, brother. Working in the bar, bro. True. That's pretty mean. Just entered stage 4 lockdown here in Melbourne. So great seeing some. All good, Sad Panda TV. So one of the mods lives in Melbourne as well. And, yeah, bro. Just keep safe. That's pretty much all we can do. Heard it's not doing too well there. Yeah, thanks for the bits, brother. But you could have said that without the bits, though. That is an option. Okay. Well, thank you, brother. Hey, cheers from Norway. Hey, odd ball waves. True, brother. Resubbing. Oh, a 3-month badge. Thanks, bro. Didn't have to, though, brother. But thank you, man. Yeah, I heard it's starting to grow quite a lot in Australia. Come to Tokoroa, watch the league, G. Nah, I'm alright. I've got stuff to sort out on the weekend. My daughter's birthday. Oh, it's on Monday next week, but yeah. If I was ever to go to Tokoroa, I'd probably go look for Mr. Chen Chen and say hello. Okay, where's our pencil? How do you contact for commissions? Just DM me or email. Probably go through them. They won't be any time soon, bro. I gotta finish my current one first, and then I'll open it up. I might just take 5 for now, just because everyone's at the gates waiting. Why are we yelling again? Hey, Bolter boy. Kia ora for that, brother. For the bits. You didn't have to, though, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Just remember to look after yourself too, my bro. But thank you, brother. Along with, I saw someone else too. The Global Stoner. Oh, the one that just finished work. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to, though. And Bolter boy again. God damn. Just do this nice dip on it. There you go. So to anyone that was wondering what the Māori name for carving is, it's whakairo. So WH is our F, WHAKIA, sorry, RO. Whakairo. And hi, what hi means is to cut, and hi are the lines that you see here as well. A little bit of something, and the design within the hi is called pakati. Waiting to see the apple get snapped. Oh, no apples today, brother. I don't have any. Fuck you. So how's the side of the mouth looking compared to the other? Ooh. That doesn't seem right. There That'll have to be rounded off. What is the statue I'm carving? It's not so much a statue, bro. It's more of a mask. Not made to be worn, though. Usually adorned on the apex of our meeting houses. Didn't know Carl Drogo was a gifted woodcarver. My son in my moon. Yeah, I've heard of alien weaponry, bro. One who's unborn beyond fuck's sakes, just. Oh, you know, doesn't matter. A host is a host. It's the thought that counts. Whether it be that bot guy, another Twitch viewer, or Commander Under, whatever his name is. Doesn't matter. It's the thought that counts, and yeah, it's all good. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Sorry if I miss your comments. Just gonna try around this mouth real quick so I don't miss anything. There we go, now it's looking the same. True margin. Damn, Sethro. Saving up for that 1 mil channel points, eh, bro? Cheers, Sethro. Cheers, brother. Fuck's sake. I just put it on there for a laugh, see if anyone would be committed to it. Holy hell. We got a host from Bob and Duty. Gonna see me Robin Dirty, gonna see me Robin Dirty. Cheers, brother, for the raid. Can we get a shout out for the bro, please? Appreciate the raid, brother. Kia ora, everyone that's come through from Robin Dirty's Twitch channel. Welcome to you and your community, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Someone who gets the reference of my name. Cheers, Bob and Dirty. Cheers, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Welcome to everyone from your community, brother. Bro, how can you not get their reference? I have 2 mallets and I use 1 round board and 1 square made out of scavenged wood. Oh, nice, brother. Brain. Scavenged wood is gold too, brother. I would say that. Sorry guys, was looking for a chisel. Best Twitch channel hands down? Nah, I don't reckon. If you had to be an animal, which one would it be? Oh, that's a hard one. Not a lion, because they get poached, unfortunately. And I noticed there's a photo where the woman chooses the lion that she likes by biting thy balls. That's not very nice. I don't know. Maybe a mountain lion? Or a Greenland shark? Just been lurking, fixing stuff. Yeah, Chur Thunder. Chur, have you been fixing up your stuff, bro? All good? I'd be a fox, obviously. I'd be a whale, they're so chill. Yeah, man. I don't know, maybe a eagle. These Himalayan ones, man, they got views for days, eh? The Himalayan eagles. Who's the psycho? Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though. More than welcome to just watch, brother, but thank you very much. Well, since my baby left me, I can't find some. While they dance along the street, a heartbreak hotel. I'm feeling so lonely, baby. I'm feeling so lonely. I'm so lonely. More new mates. Yeah, Himanshu done by Thunder, brother. He's in the chat. He's that guy that's hiding away, fixing stuff. You missed 2 more subs. Oh shit, my bad. Macaque. Macaque. Macaque monkey. Thanks for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. Zivales and Matt Ducks. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. Appreciate it, though. You're doing a bit of cable management now, Thunder. It looks so good. You're good. Ah, yeah, it's looking alright, eh? Looking alright, brother. I wouldn't say I'm a goat though, brother. Just your goat. Sorry. Bro, the longest YouTube ad in NZ. God damn. And it's about using earbuds. Oh. To get wax out. Farbajan Far? Farbajan Far. Cheer, brother. For the sub, you didn't have to, bro. Sorry if I completely butchered your name too, brother. But ended up staying for an hour. Much love, man. Cheer. Papa Jaku. Cheer, my bro. Didn't have to, brother. Brings back memories. Yeah, man. So if you haven't seen the emotes, we got Brock's Love, Brock's Tea, because obviously I drink tea. You're sorting the cables and stream stuff out. Oh, cheer. Kiwi thing I've seen this week. Oh, cheer, all gone. Yeah, bro. And Brock's Fire. I was gonna call it Brock's Rage, but I don't rage at my carvings and I'm not gaming yet. It's a mix between Mufasa and Endeavour. Let's get a nice shape on this eye. So the mask at the top, guys, so it's another form of a mask as well. It's called a koruru or a ruru, in the shape of an owl. So ruru is an owl as well. Oh, and Farmchan gifted a sub as well. Thank you, brother. Didn't have to though, but congrats to the person that received your gifted sub, brother. Don't forget to say thank you to the person that got it. Yeah, Ghost of Tsushima is amazing. I haven't really been playing it. Once I figure out how to stream games off the stream pack, I'll get an Elgato and stream Ghosts. I would say it's going to be Game of the Year. Do you speak Spanish? No, sorry. Was creeping me out for days. Oh, true, brother. How many Māori goddesses are there? I know the majority of the gods are looking at but there's many, bro. Like, there's heaps. So one god I come from in particular, who happens to be the daughter of Ranginui. Her name's Hinupu Kohurangi. She is a mist maiden. So she makes up one half of the tribe that I'm from. So I can tell that story if you want, brother. All good. It's a bit unco hitting it from this angle because I don't want to rub my beard on the camera. Do you agree Goku is stronger than Vegeta? I don't really get into that argument, but I guess so. But doesn't he surpass him soon? No, I don't even know where. For like one episode. Brooks beard ASMR. Seems pretty soft. Anchovy shark, yeah, bro. It's one of the softest native timbers we have in New Zealand, brother. Known as tōtara. It's a native red pine, my bro. Similar to Californian red pine as well. Such a warm day, man. So sorry, I'm just trying to write round the eye. Make it look as eye as it can be. Oh god. I almost missed that too. That would have been rude. Zevales, thanks for the gifteds, brother. Holy crap, he doesn't have to do that at all, bro. Holy shit. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it, man. Congrats to those that received that sub from the bro. Don't forget to say thank you. And Hazy JC, thank you, brother. You didn't have to though, brother. Make me the face of Twitch. Nah, I'm all good, man. We're all good. Let's just mind our own. You're going to use power in the eyes. Yeah, bro. Yeah, brother. It's just a matter of trying to find someone who can do them for me. Because I don't have the machine. And I'm not really a fan of using sheet power. So you can get sheet paper of them. I feel like it takes away from it, if you use like sheet paper power. I personally am not a fan of it, but I guess when you're behind in time, it would come in handy. What if you accidentally do a mistake? It's not a mistake, brother, it's an adjustment. You are amazing. Thank you, Kaneski. Cheers, brother. Didn't have to give those bits, my bro. You could have just said the comment. You're an absolute boss, brother. Snake able to watch. Nice, brother. Yeah, just come and watch, man. Come and learn. If you like what you see, that's good. Hello, Natal. You speak Spanish? Nope. Sorry. Thoughts on Keisha Castle Hughes? Yeah, she's doing well. I mean, she cracked Game of Thrones. She's doing well for herself, just like any other person from here. It's like Stephen Adams, he's the man. I actually wouldn't mind his Kia Kaha singlet, eh? So Lucian, so we sharpen them, brother. So you can either invest in a sharpening wheel or sharpening stones. I'll probably get stones because I work in a carport, don't have a shed. I don't want to leave a sharpening wheel out here when they cost so much. But yeah, I'll probably just use sharpening stones, brother. I think we might be looking at moving once my second daughter is born. My only requirements is it has to have a good shed, a fireplace and a lawn that I can mow. Do you sew your art? Yeah, of course. Oh, thanks, Leroy. Just glad you like it, brother. Hello, David. Ads disabled. Oh, I don't know. I'm talking to you guys on the chat, so I can't see it. Just don't refresh and you're good. Order the lawn. Bro. I like mowing the lawn, brother. It's therapeutic. Gotta love the smell of freshly cut grass on a summer's day. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Hey, 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 hey. Outshined and stole your pickle and personari. Thank you very much, guys, for subbing. If you're new here, you can just watch for free. It is totally fine. Girl from Sweden, with a name like that, you could be a catfish. But I don't know, someone else in chat might look. I'm happily taken with a family, so yeah. Then a nice beer, ooh, yes. I made an account just to watch you. Oh, Chur washing machine. Thanks, man. Welcome. If you're looking for other channels to watch, brother, go and watch Just for Kicks. Pun Lord, Thunder. I think he's returning this week. Our Lord and Saviour Thunder. Been missing the brother's streams, but fair reason why he hasn't been streaming. I love the owl on this game, eh? He's so cool. What's your favourite beer? I actually don't drink anymore, brother, but so I used to like drinking Spates, Tui, and is it High? Oh, I forget the name of this beer. Well, I'm gonna go play some Uncharted 4, then off to bed. Hey, have a good jam, brother. PT chill. Have a good one, my brother. Do you apply any finish? So yeah, bro, I'll probably be putting linseed oil on this one, brother. Just cause you know I don't wanna mess with the grain too much. with me, bro, I love showing off the grain of the wood. And I just bought some more linseed as well. Cheer, redone. Cheer, brother. Oh, someone just got pulled up. You know someone got pulled up when you hear that. Dude. Favorite My Hero character and why? All my bro, just for the way he is, and he just runs straight into it, just how he is. I mean, he ain't gonna last long, but he's so good. I like a few villains too, like Awful One, man, he's a boss, Oh, One for All, or was it Awful One? No, Awful One, yeah. And Gigantomakia. Cheer, Dweebo. I had an allergy test as a kid. Apparently I'm allergic to linseed oil. Oh, there's allergy tests? Yo, Dweebo. Cheer, brother. How's the day been? Yeah, it's been all good, bro. Just carving. Doing what I love to do. Nothing's changed. Dub Smith. Football. Thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. You can just watch for free. Where do you go with your art? What do you mean? Back inside? After I finish? For the day? I guess? Are you Hawaiian? No. I'd love to go there one day. Okay, so this is my question to you, bro. What makes you think I look Hawaiian? Just out of curiosity. Can we have some KSI killer songs? Oh, I don't really like KSI. Oh, I don't really watch them, so nah. Do you like any DC Universe? Yeah, bro. Aquaman. Jason Momoa version. Elf. Elf Abe. I live in the Bay of Plenty, Rotorua. Yep, that looks so good. What up, guys? Building your body looks like in the shape of Hawaiian. Yeah, saying fat. You calling me fat? Nah, I get you. Yeah. Seems like all Polynesians are built the same way, like quite top heavy. Built, Cheer, what a for? Cheer, brother. How are you? Everyone doing the egg test. I want Aquaman tits, but I already have some and can't get them. Oh, true. Actually, wouldn't mind getting you play RuneScape? Nah, brother. Nah. Actually, wouldn't mind getting a World of Warcraft tattoo, Everyone unlocking the egg. What games are you playing now? Ghost of Tsushima, obviously, because it's just came out. WoW as well. I mean, I've been playing WoW on and off since the end of BC. This is the first time I get to play it consistently. Thanks to the brother Panda. Other than that, I haven't even opened my Final Fantasy. Well, the brother did, but yeah. Do you stream well? Working on it, man. I'm not computer savvy. And with my situation, it's trying to stream it off the stream pack. Because the home internet we have is not that great. Too touchy. Thanks, Marty Party. Do you play retail or classic? I was playing classic a lot, then I got bored of it. But I'm on retail most of the time now. Trying to gear, but man, visions are just too fun. I only did visions just to try and get that transmog bag, eh? That was about it. What's this Jacob clown saying, brother? Oh god, a terrible scrub. Thanks, brother. You didn't have to give the bits, bro. Appreciate it, man. Keep it up. Oh, thanks, bro, for the sub. Oh, bro, 3 months. My phone is at 0% and it won't die. Oh, transformer. Got a transformer in your hand, my G. Thanks, Big Fat Pants, too, brother. Bro, Thomas, bro. I've done a few carvings out of scavenged wood, brother. Have you ever played Dark Souls? Nah, bro. Just watching other people play it, it looks like I wouldn't enjoy it. The Mystic Fox gifted a sub. Oh, it's a Leroy Bagzer. Thank you, Fox. Didn't have to, but congrats to the person you gave it to. Don't forget to say thank you. A whisper of mod. Oh, good brother. Okay, just drawing on our design, guys. And, yeah. It's looking good, looking even. There we go. So, I'm going to cut out these two sections here, so we leave the middle alone for the notches. Hold on, guys, I need to go and blow my nose. Sinuses are clear. Let's go. Bless you. Thank you, guys. I still don't know what uwu means, eh? Well, no, it's a face. Is it a facial expression? I know it's a term used a lot by e-girls. For watching an ad, here you go. Ah, shard blocks. You didn't have to, brother. Thank you, though, brother. Try digital sculpting? Nah, bro, never. So I will need a V chisel. It's not rocket, you know it. Save toilet paper. Saves walking into the house and walking out. Movement waste. Hey. Furry fandom. Oh, yeah. Around this nose too, as the cure for COVID. Oh no! Do we need a snot rocket emote? Oh well, I always get a blocked nose when I come outside, just because of how cold it gets. Ka-chow! Shake out that nose. You ship to Australia? Probably can, bro. I think the borders are open, I believe. Hold on, guys. I'm just readjusting the center line because it's a bit off. So we just tend to the bevel. Push the bevel back the other way. There you go. Centered again. Maru and light Sabaya. Thank you, guys. Appreciate the subs. If he's new here, you don't have to. You can just watch for free. It is totally fine. I've got a million questions, man. You should do a Q&A stream or video on YouTube. I can do a Q&A if everyone's keen. And Death. Thank you very much for the sub. Damn, that's a heavy name. The new emotes box. Yeah, from Thunder, brother. Unfortunately, you have to go. Goodbye. Hey, washing machine. It's all good, man. See you next time. Thanks for dropping in. How do you stay positive? Well,
I've been in the field now for 3 years.
Stay.
Studying the hidden interconnections between animals and all species.
Yeah. That all goes.
Locations of such truly impressive varieties.
While you're camped out in the woods.
While you're camped out in the woods. Red Dead Redemption Naturalist.
You a hunter?
There he is. Brought to yourself. Nah, bro. Nah, would love to learn though. Definitely. Survival of the fittest.
How do you sleep at night?
On the tiger bedspread, my dear.
He'll drink from the deep water. Lay on that stowaway. Well,
There's more to
baby,
life than this. Now gyms are open, you can start getting back to the lifestyle you love.
While doors were closed, we did a deep clean of each next-gen club. And that's not all.
We've tweaked our class schedules to allow extra time for cleaning and changeover.
When it comes to safety, size matters.
With thousands of square metres indoors,
Acres of space.
cheer, no man. Cheer, brother. Okay, let's just fix this up because it's a bit wonky. I've got the wrong chisel because I don't have a V chisel that's smaller, so I just use the smallest one I have. I need to purchase one. I might do that this week. What is your most favourite holiday and why just that one? Oh, I don't really have a favourite holiday. Zebu. Cheers, brother, for the sub. If you're new, my man, you don't have to, bro. You can watch for free. All good. Well, the wood's not too bad on this side. Let's see what happens when we join it. Usually it'll rip, like the center, the ridge that I'm carving. So this ridge here seems to be holding surprisingly. So that's a bit of a dub. Oh no, there it is. Spoke too soon. So all we have to do is, since the wood is fighting a little bit. Oh no, not anymore. Might be just me. If you're in school just studying for tests, tune into the stream, turn the stream, get back after. These your commands are just... That's a new one. Yeah, but... You don't watch the stream if you're at school or studying. I already told one fella, go do your work yesterday. Not out here trying to play uncle, but if I have to grow you to go and do your schoolwork, then by all means I will. Ludi Khan, thank you very much, brother, for subbing. You didn't have to, though. More than welcome to watch for free, brother. Okay, let me just try and do this. Sorry, I might get in the way a bit. I'm trying not to. My shoulder's like right next to the camera. Oh my. What time is it there? It's almost 12:30, brother. Beautiful piece. Oh, thanks, brother. So just to let you know, I don't speak Spanish. That was actually just for Kick's translation. So yeah. Bokins, thanks you very much for the bits, man. You did not have to, though. And there goes the toys. And Cardiac Pilot. Oh, jeez. You watch anime? Yes, I am a man of culture as well. Not just Māori culture. Okay, I need to readjust the slide because it's a bit too close to the eye and the nose. For the horde, brother, you know it. Okay, so all we have to do is just drop the light down. So yes, I am a lefty as well. Shout out to all the lefties in chat. What anime do you watch? So at the moment I'm currently watching Fire Force Season 1 before I start the new one. Favourite character is Leonard Burns. He's the man. And I only watch One Piece now and again when Kaido's on. And Roronoa. There isn't that content. Chur Ceiling Cats, kia ora, bro. Okay, let's do this. How's our timber looking? Oh yeah, it's gonna rip. God damn it. Can you see it? I don't know if you can. Sorry guys if I'm missing your comments, I just want to try and bang this out first. I might have to, oh yeah, no, it's ripping because it's resisting. Usually when you feel the wood resisting, it's eventually gonna do a big chip, or the wood will start to rip. Are you a dog or cat person? More of a dog person, but either one is fine. Chew, big fat pants. Chew, brother. All good, my bro. Oil type, but. Do you see One Piece Season 1, man? Yeah, I've seen it long time ago. Back on the Cartoon Network days. Oh, much better. Sliding, sliding. Awesome. What's your favorite nature character? What do you mean, bro? Nature character? Is that like an anime or just characters inspired by nature? I don't watch cricket, man. Yeah. You do it well. Thanks so much for everything. Nice, Severon? Have you ever tried Monarcho? Yeah, you up to it at a young age, bro. Oh, I got introduced to it at a young age. I mean, most boys do Monarcho. Young Māori boys learn Monarcho mainly for discipline. Hey, not just to learn how to wield a taiaha. Holy cow, who's this? Cardiac Pilot and Melog the Owl. Thank you very much, brother. Melog, you didn't have to. You can watch for free, and along with Cardiac Pilot as well. Appreciate it, brother. Now, if you do see your name in Cardiac's contributions, say thank you. A simple thank you can go a long way. One Punch Man is the best. Oh, I didn't really watch too much of it, eh? What round do you play well on? On retail, bro? Bartholus and Frostborn. I'm only playing Alliance because of the Pro Panda. So unfortunately, Alliance is one of the most populated factions in OCE, which is kind of dumb for people that don't like playing Alliance. What's your opinion on Goku and Saitama? Nothing really. I mean, Goku can eat a lot. Saitama's got no hair, but he's strong too. Play instruments? Nah, man, I wouldn't love to have learned to. So my koro, my grandfather was trying to teach me at a young age, but being a young kid, I just wanted to go play outside. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out whether I really want to play Brewmaster in Shadowlands or not. I mean, I played Mistweaver, played a hell of a lot of Windwalker. I think it'll be the legendaries that convince me on the Spectral Monk. Because I know Brewmaster gets like a double keg smash legendary, which sounds fun. I don't really know much about the covens because I don't really go into it that hard. Okay. Is that a face? Yes, it is a face. Berkeley, thanks for the sub, man. If you're new here, you can just watch for free next time, eh? It's all good to watch. Don't have the sub, it's all good. Do you sell your carvings? I will be soon, bro. So after I finish my current what is it? Commission. I'll be taking commissions. Might actually jump on it soon, actually. It's okay. Do you engrave a signature into your piece? I mean, I can. I'm not really big on it. I mean, the piece itself is a signature. But yeah, if people want it, then I'll do it for them. Just wanted to pop in and say hi, name people like you. Cheers, Snorlax OP. Cheers, brother. And kia ora, Henry. How are you, brother? Okay, so what we're going to do now is use our skew. Open up these notches. Make even walls on either side. And then we'll eventually make the cuts or the ridge in the middle look slightly bigger as well. Which is always good. Did you get KFC out the lockdown? Yeah, it was pretty underwhelming, eh? Didn't even enjoy it. The name for this carving. So the art form itself is called whakairo. The carving itself is called a wheku, which is a mask. And the one that I'm working on now is another variation called aruru, translates to owl. So the giveaway should be the eyes. a Trongoti, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. You can watch for free. All good. What kind of wood do you use? Native wood, but it all depends, eh? What's available, what you get your hands on. It's always good to work with a different type of timber, eh? Challenge yourself. Zenderman. Hey, true, brother. You didn't have to give those bits break and watch for free. Well, thank you, bro. Hope you're well too. First time here, super nice work. Yeah, King Kuma Gaming. Cheer, brother. Welcome, bro. So, since you're new here, brother, my name's Brox. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver from New Zealand, or Aotearoa as we know it. So, the Māori people, being me, are the native people to New Zealand, brother. Have you ever had to abandon a piece because of a mistake? No, never. We don't make mistakes, brother, we make adjustments. Nah, bro, never. I mean, the only way you can abandon a piece if it burns. Did the quarantine affect your work? Yeah, bro, because we work in the tourism industry, and we got let go. So I was carving for Tāmaki Māori village here in Rotorua, and yeah, the borders were closed, no tourists, so there was no point holding us on. So we got let go, which is understandable. Blazing Boy Solo, carry you to mute. True, brother. He's done it. There's some man you can watch for free. All good. In the 1300s. Yeah, bro. Oh shit, we forgot to do the notches on this middle bit. Hold on. Oh, you're in Rotorua. I visited a long time ago. It was a beautiful place. Smells funny, eh, brother? But yeah. So, Māori tourism here in New Zealand, in Rotorua, played quite a big part. And what did I do with my mallet? There it is there. What was I doing? Notches. Gotta love it when they break, eh? Damn it. Hold on, guys. If it brings you happiness, that I wished you all the best. Yo, Blazing Boy, thanks for gifting a sub to Voracious Monster. Didn't have to though, brother. And Big Popper 01. Thank you, guys. If he's new, you can just watch for free. Bro, I heard it's all good, eh? Gets to me, I like to stop by your stream. Really makes me chill and grounded again. Thanks to you, keep up the good work. Yo, Sam. If it helps, brother, just be here, bro, for the whole thing. So there's a few reasons why I decided to start streaming carving on Twitch. So I had to be like encouraged there. I was too shy. But jeez, Prox and maybe Maxwell, thank you guys for subbing. You don't have to though, you can watch for free. So yeah, I was encouraged by a few of the brothers, and that I've been watching these streams for like a long time. So I've been on Twitch for a while in terms of watching streams. So a few of the bros actually told me you should stream your carvings. You might never know, you might blow up, you might enjoy it. That was that guy. Oh, nah, all good. And streamed my carvings for the first time. Fanta was there, along with 3 bots. Even that was hard. But yeah, did it not for long, not even like 30 minutes I think. And I turned it off. And then a few months later, this thing for the showcase turned up, and I just signed it as a laugh, not knowing that I'll get in. I didn't really sign it to try and get in, just for a laugh, really. And yeah, got in, and when I got the email saying I got accepted, I was like, oh fuck, no. I don't even know how to talk properly. You're even polite to the bots. Found you, saw you on TikTok. Hey, cheer, Lucifer. Thanks, man, for the bits. You can just watch for free, though. Or comment without bits. And Flying Gunner as well. Thank you very much, brother. Didn't have to. Yeah, that was hard. And then applied for the showcase. Didn't think I would get it. Wasn't trying to. And yeah, I got in. And then my first reaction was, oh, fuck. Think I got myself, and yeah, just thought, oh, well, you got to do it now. You can't be a little bitch. That's just how I thought about it, and yeah, did it. I actually enjoyed it. It was fun. And this was all in lockdown as well. So why I do it is mainly just to share the Māori culture on here, and hopefully catch the attention of some young Māori kids that might be surprised and be interested in their culture as opposed to Fortnite. And yeah, hopefully they pursue it. Another reason, yeah, for myself is just sharing the culture, having fun, sharing what I love to do, not changing for anyone. Yeah, just having fun. And I have been for the last few months now. Kenobi, CG Kenobi, thank you very much for subbing, brother. You did not have to though, you can just watch for free. It is a welcome free feature, brother. And GI6 with the bits as well, appreciate it, brother. And Merkin Badass, thanks guys. So yeah, that was and another reason why I do this, brother, because sadly some of our people live around the world, or some even stuck here in New Zealand, or Aotearoa, they don't have much access to their culture as much as others. And hopefully on this platform can be a cool place for them to chill, along with you guys as well that are not familiar with it. Did you make the wooden hammer yourself? Yeah, bro. It's my mallet. I've had it for a long time. So you know on Surf's Up, Tank when he shows his trophies, How he shows his mallets or his trophies on Surf's Up, and he goes, "Here, I'll show you some. These are my ladies. This is Gia, Brianna, and Helga. Naughty girl." Yeah, so I have 3 different types of mallets. I'm more of a Big Z fan anyway, but so the smaller mallet, brother, is used for designing. That's all. And I won't ever use this to design, whether it be small stuff or medium-sized carvings. Then this one is for designing as well and moulding. And this one here is mainly for moulding, taking off mass amounts of wood, brother. Helga, don't mess around. But yeah, these are the 3 mallets I've had with me for a long time, so you can start to see a bit of wear and tear. But yeah, I've had them for a long time, brother. Well, not a long time, but you know. So yeah, those are my ladies. George Ilanava, thank you for the sub. You did not have to though. You can watch for free. Don't donate. Chur Urban Ace, cheer brother. Donating. I just came up with random names as I was talking. I never look the same way at Helga. They never look at Helga the same way again. So usually in the carving school the boys name their mallets. I was like, oh, that just seems a bit silly. But the big mallet is called Te Maunga from the boys. So that in our language it means the mountain. But for the chat you can call it Helga. Those are my ladies. Fanny from YouTube, super chill, how are you? Gee, Yachts Junction. I'm good, brother. Just carving, my bro. Trying to get this section here done, and then we just got a few little bits to clean up, and the entire piece is done, brother. But thanks for joining, bro. And Bolter Boy with the damn bits. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to do that, though. Appreciate it, brother. Oh, Bolter Boy again. Steakalicious. Ooh, steak sounds good. Thanks for the sub as well, brother. You did not have to, though. Did I see that right? Yes, I did. And then Bolter Boy again. God damn it, brother. Okay, I gotta go later. Cheer, Fanta. You have a good one. Those are my ladies. That's probably one of the funniest parts for me on Surf's Up. But yeah, Big Z is one of my favourite characters on there. Sparkle, it's Mad Sweetie. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to though. You can watch your way. Yeah, hey. You can. You should carve Big Z's surfboard. Oh, I don't even have enough wood to do that, but I don't really carve anything outside of my culture, brother. I mean, I could try. I'll be Big Z now. We're carving the nose. It's in there. I'm just trying to find it. Carving the nose. That's a pretty common question, but it's all good, brother. So the wood itself, my bro, is called tōtara. It's one of the softest timbers we have in terms of native here in Aotearoa in New Zealand. Similar to Californian red pine too. Am I mouldy? What makes you think I'm not mouldy, brother, if you don't mind me asking? Or is it just a question? What's the name of this type of wood piece? Is it a totem? Nah, bro, it's not a totem. So it's a mask. These particular carvings are usually installed at the apex of our meeting houses, so our ancestral meeting houses. And a waharo as well, which is a gateway, like an archway. So give some attention to these nose. It's got a bit of a snout on them. I'm new to the stream, so I might be out of place. Do you talk about Māori myths? Yeah, bro, I just talked about one at the beginning of the stream. Kinda sucks to be here at the moment. We will win. Yeah, I know what's going on in Melbourne, brother, but if the stream helps being here, my bro, you're more than welcome to chill here. It's all good. Yeah, our lockdown was shit, but yeah, I know you guys would be worse because it's much more populated than here where I am. Seven Deadly Sins, I've binged it all day and loved it. Yeah, bro. Escanol, brother. Escanol's my favourite. Right to the end. Okay. What area are you, if you don't mind me asking? Oh, it's all good. So I'm from Tūhoi, Whanui. I grew up in Ruatahuna, but I also have ties here in Rotorua, Te Arawa, Ngāti Pikiao, Ngāti Whakahemo, right out to the coast there, and out to Motiti. So yeah. Lion Steaks. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. But I appreciate it, brother. What language are you speaking? Well, English. Oh, what? My native tongue. When I saw the animations on that, yeah, they rubbished it quite hard, eh? It was quite scuffed. Is it cold in New Zealand? Not today, but it will start getting colder as we're in winter. So yeah, that's it tonight. Thoughts on Rocket Lab? I have no idea what that is. Was that old cartoon? Have you ever tried League of Legends? Yeah, bro. Oh, I played there for a while and then stopped. Just because the community on that game is too great. You give away first blood. Summoner has disconnected. People are too hard to satisfy on that dumb game, so I don't even bother. I only play it when I want to. People go too hard at normals as well. Shit. I'm trying to get my iron form placements. Yeah, I love some of the characters in there, but the community is great. I used to play rugby, brother. Not anymore. Kiwi528, thanks for the sub. You didn't have to, though. You can watch for free. It's all good. I was wondering if their toxic community could affect... Oh no, I don't really care, it's just a game. Capex. Love you, man, never stop. Oh, thanks, brother. What you said for? Didn't have to give those bits, brother. Why are you mad? It's only a game. Where are you from? Australia? Nah, I'm Aotearoa. Hello, Daddy Child and Autix. Cheer, brothers. Okay, let me just mold this nose. I might swap over to the Taiaha soon. Well, after I do this nose. Just readjust it. Yeah, I think it's time to swap over now. I'm gonna go get this Taiaha. Then I just dropped the damn pencil. Oh, okay. Zelda, please. Oh, we already listened to Zelda, bro. Sorry. Okay, we'll put it to the side for now. It's not looking too bad. I need to upload photos to the Discord and Insta too. Here we go. Running up like a nuke, my G. Chill, bro. Any relationship advice you can give? I mean, I haven't been in much relationships, bro. But, like, at all. I haven't been in heaps. Not enough to count on one hand. But, I don't know, be yourself. If you're having trouble, talk to him. If you're a girl, or he, whatever. Okay, let's go. Can we see the one behind the cam? What do you mean? There's nothing behind the cam other than the bag. I don't know what you mean, brother. Thanks, cheers, brother. Timo, it's not a spear, brother. Cheers though, brother, thank you. Where's my pencil? Sort these bevels out soon. Upper, thank you for the sub, Moji. You didn't have to though. What do you play on? Well, what I've been playing in BFA recently is Shaman, Enhanced Shaman. What else? And Guardian Druid, so I'm learning that, but also been playing Monk for ages since Mist. I lost my original monk that I made, and Warrior, Fury Warrior. Guardian, is that Phil? No, Guardian's the tank spec, brother. The bear. Learning how to tank, eh? Just trying something different. That's about it. That's only reason why I'm playing tanking. Just something different, eh? DPS is Orc Monk, yeah. I play Orc Monk super, yeah. So I only ever play Panda and Orc for that class. How are you, brother? I see you in there with that tick. Cheers, super shiggy. Cheers, brother. Oh, Bolter boy again. Thank you, making me feel a lot better in quarantine. Oh, cheers, bro. Favorite horde races? Yeah, just Panda and Orc. Yeah, Cash Twinsy, thanks for the sub as well. Oh, Bolter boy. That's enough. Just come and watch. Feral was the tank spec in my day. Okay. Let's clean this bugger up here. So this is a more harder timber. What I'm carving now is a Taiaha. Archangel. Hey, 2 months, let's go. Loving the stream in the background while I develop things. Helps the creative juices flow. Oh, true, Archangel. What do you do, brother, if you don't mind me asking? What was your favourite thing about WoW? Probably the lore, brother. Yeah. Oh, then look at this dick. Redeem. Yeah, I know it's not that cool to show photos of yourself. You dick. What is he making? So I'm making a Taiaha, which is similar to an English 3/4 staff. So this particular weapon, bro, was never made to be thrown. So my ancestors didn't believe in killing from afar. No honour in it. Cheer, Hawk throne. Cheer, brother. For a company, but run a 5M roleplay server on the sideline. Cheer, brother. Damn. Busy man, brother. Just lining up our bevels.